Welcome to Credib, your ultimate vendor connection platform. In this guide, we'll take you through the seamless process of registering and finding the perfect vendors for your needs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the app. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Credib. Download and install the app. Step 2. Launch the app. Once the app is installed, tap on the Credib icon to launch it. Step 3. Create your account. If you're new to Credib, tap on the Create option. Provide your email address, phone number, set a secure password, and accept the terms of use. Step 4. Explore vendor categories. Once registered, it's time to find the vendors you need. Browse through our diverse categories, including event planners, decorators, entertainers, cake vendors, ushers, catering services, makeup artists, fashion designers, security, jewelries, transportation/logistics, and rentals. Step 5. Search and filter. Use the search bar to find specific vendors or apply filters to narrow down your options. You can filter by location, ratings, pricing, and more. Step 6. Vendor profiles. Click on a vendor's profile to learn more about their services, view their portfolio, read customer reviews, and see their contact information. Step 7. Contact and connect. Once you've found the perfect vendor, connect with them directly through the app. You can send messages, call, ask questions, and discuss your requirements. Step 8. Book and confirm. When you're ready to proceed, book your chosen vendor and confirm the details. Make sure to discuss terms, pricing, and any specific arrangements. And there you have it. Using Credib to find and connect with vendors has never been easier.